Hey everyone, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan asked me to create a video about myself so you guys can get to know me a little better. I have experience driving for Uber and Lyft since it's a great way to make some extra money. I'm a freelance makeup artist, which means I'm self-employed, so I go to people's homes or venues to apply makeup, and that's my main gig. When I'm not doing that, I create beauty content for YouTube and Instagram, and I work with beauty brands. When I'm not doing that, sometimes I'll do some background acting. I'll work as an extra. So most recently, the work I did, I was a background extra in Grand Hotel, and then I was a background extra in Jane the Virgin season 5. However, I don't do that as often as I should. Since makeup is my main gig, I kind of do that just to be on camera and have the on-camera experience, as well as network with other people who may need their makeup done for TV. So if I'm on set for about 8 hours I'm getting paid as a non-union extra. I'm getting paid around $125. Maybe the maximum would be like $150. However, I can make more driving for Uber in that amount of time. So an 8-hour day I will make about $160 to $200, as opposed to working on set, working for 8 hours and getting $120. So really, Uber and Lyft is a great way to earn some extra income and supplement my income, since I'm living in LA right now and it's not cheap. So I highly recommend, if you're a freelancer, try Uber and Lyft out. What's it gonna do? You just gotta put in the work, put in the hours, and then you're gonna be making some pretty good money. So I prefer doing this over working for an office job, because sometimes sometimes office jobs only offer $12 or $15 an hour. I'm making $20 to $25 an hour driving for Uber. It's great, and then people tip, and it's just a really awesome way to continue to do what I want. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. That was another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Please like this video if you want to see me back on the channel, and I hope to see you guys all soon.